What's up, my dudes, and welcome back to a brand new diecast unboxing video. Finally, I found some Hot Wheels in the wild. I'm so stoked. We got us a nice big bag of Hot Wheels to crack open. We're gonna crack open every single one of them and check them out right now. And we're gonna start off with the one I've been wanting the most. I've been wanting this Bugatti since I first found out it existed. This thing is badass. Reminds me a lot of the Lamborghini Diablo, and you guys know how much I love Lambos. It is from the Exotic set, and I am amped. Let's go ahead and get to cracking. Let's set this car free. There it is. Beautiful chrome 10 spokes. Forgive my dirty hands. I've been working on my trucks. I got another truck actually lately. I got a Yukon. Some use that as a work truck. But anywho, here is this beautiful, beautiful Bugatti. Black interior. Metal wing. Really nice taillights. Look at that. They did a great job. This thing is so sick. Look at Bugatti logo. Super badass. Oh, this is a sweet car. I only have a few Bugattis in my collection, so I'm super amped to add that to them. Alright, next up, we got us an STI. Wait, do I have this one already? Jump cut, because I'm going to check. And no, I do not have this one already, so we're good to open it. Alright, there we go. I do have this vehicle in many colors, but not this one. Love this casting. Look at those headlights. Lots of great detail there. We got some PR5s in gold. Taillights look amazing too. Very realistic. The wing looks really nice. The whole casting is just amazing. I love this vehicle. I love it in real life too. This little car is badass. Really like this one. And that paint, yeah, very nice. Got a metallic charcoal. All right, next one up, we got us a fan favorite. We got us a Musclemania 87 Buick Regal GNX, also known as a Grand National. Got a couple of these. Oh, wow. Black Widow exhaust. I didn't even notice that till right now. Never heard of them, but who knows? Maybe they're good. All right, and here we go. Very nice. Got some gunmetal wheels. There's that Black Widow Tampo I mentioned a second ago. Really nice red enamel paint. Very smooth and nice. Yeah, I didn't paint on any headlights for me, but that's alright. You know, for a mainline, this has a little bit of weight to it. Very nice. I like that one quite a bit. For all the Grand National fans out there. Alright, let's see. Next one up. This one I was super stoked to find from the Hot Wheels Flame set. We got a 52 Chevy Truck. Love these. I saw quite a few of these at the car show a few weeks ago. Great year for trucks. Great decade for trucks, really. Alright, there we go. Now this one is very interesting. So it's like flat gray with rusty flames, it looks like. Wild. I got some deep dish black wheels with a gold lip. And we got a chrome plastic base. Very nice. Yeah, this thing, it just feels crazy. Yeah. No clear coat on it whatsoever. Just completely satin. Very interesting. Yeah, this one is cool. Check out that grill. Awesome. That'll look good with the other trucks. Let's see what we got next. Let's do some Japanese goodness with this S13. Probably my favorite S13 that's dropped. The other ones had, you know, kind of wildish tampos and graphics or whatever. I like that this has the J5 wheels. Very appropriate. Alright, and of course they are in white, so they really pop against that red paint. We got side view mirrors finally. It's the first vehicle of the video with side view mirrors. Beautiful taillight work. Wow, those are really nice. Love that Sylvia logo. Very cool. It's got a little mid-wing right there. Sick. Love that it has like this lip on it. Very beautiful. Rolled up windows. Right-hand drive, of course. Yeah, that is a great one. Alright, let's see here. Next one up, we got us the new colorway of the Benzo from the Factory Fresh set. Very cool. You guys probably all have this one in black. They flooded the pegs with these, but that's cool with me because they are very nice. This is the first time I found a silver one in the wild. Yes, we got some 5SPs. Hey, side view mirrors again. Check that out. And once again, very nice headlight and grille work. Beautiful. Looks very, very nice. Yep, tails as well. Look how clean that is. They're really stepping up their game lately. I think Hot Wheels starting to realize, I mean, they're always going to be the kings of diecast. I mean, just because of the, you know, their huge fan base. But there are some companies now that are trying to take the throne. But anyway, this thing is very, very cool. Super glad to have that one. And the last one in this video is this Golf Tempo Golf Theme 67th Oldsmobile 442 from Muscle Mania. I did see a couple of Olds 442s out there at the car show also, and I just had to grab it when I saw it. This thing's very, very cool. Yeah, I got lucky. I got to Albertsons apparently right after they restocked because the pegs were flooded, and I'm super stoked to have this one. Wow. Nice. Oh, very nice. Very smooth paint. Love Golf, as I'm sure a lot of you guys do too. Just really fun to collect these. Got some Goodyear Tampo as well. Chrome plastic base, which goes to the bumpers and grille. And all around a great piece for the collection. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Alright, you guys, that was the video. Thank you very much for hanging with me on this Wednesday afternoon. I don't even know anymore. Like, these days just kind of blend together. Thank you very much again. If you're new to my channel, my name is J-Dog, and I post diecast videos fairly frequently, about 2 or 3 times a week. And if collecting is your thing, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the like button, and I'll catch you dudes next time.